Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's video, we're checking out what an average apartment in Egypt can get you. I'll be giving you a full tour, showing you around every room and breaking down exactly how much apartments like this cost. Whether you're curious about living in Egypt or just want to see what your money can buy here, you're in for a surprise. Let's get started.
Yeah man, let's go. Yo, Allah though.
Subhanallah.
Allah barik. What door? You can leave your sandals here, innit? Assalamu alaikum. What do you say, man? Good, yeah? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, we're gonna look at something different today. We're gonna show you guys what an average apartment can get you in Egypt. Kindly, we have brother Yahya who let us use his house to really show you guys what it looks like in an average household.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So as we were saying, we have a 3-bedroom apartment here. Currently I do live by myself, alhamdulillah, but I did used to have roommates with me.
Yeah.
So as we were saying, now we're going to show you the whole apartment.
Inshallah.
3 bedrooms, 1 toilet, 1 matbakh. Tfaddal ya akhi.
So Yahya's house, I would say, is the best apartment in our area, and we're gonna show you guys the lift. His lift. Some lifts, if you're lucky, you get a good lift, but if you're not, then you get our lift.
They don't fit our lift.
You know our lift, but if you're lucky, you can get this type of lift. This type of lift is much more bougie and it's much more safe. So as the lift comes to the ground floor, the only thing that's tapped is these doors. These doors, I don't know why. Imagine it's small, but that's
Come in the lift. It's unnecessary space.
yeah, when you come in, but with that, it's not really.
I think this is just
and then the lift should be going up. The thing about with this lift, look, you can't press any buttons. Yo, chill. But the thing is, you need a key. Right now, look, we're going up. It doesn't feel like we're doing nothing. This lift, look at the security gate. It's very secure. So I'm gonna start off with the first thing. The light. Look at the lights. Is this your lights? I'll tell you one of the best. I'll say with this is very average in every household. Because Egyptian lights in households, it comes all the time, man. Yeah. They do one set, then another set, and another set. This is genuinely, these type of lights is genuinely what you get in every single apartment in Egypt. Yeah. Really good lights.
Egypt loves their lights.
To start off, the lounge area. This is just what you'll find in a normal average household. It's just a nice open space when you come in. It's just very good for brothers and also families to come in terms of living room area. And with it, it typically comes with a window, which is a good view for the seating area, if you would like to call it. It's just a good view for you guys to see, and also it also comes with one main fridge. If you guys don't know, I believe that's the right now, right there. I had to get the lights if you can see it. Right? But what a better view is, let's go to the balcony. But a better view, not just the window, but come to the balcony. جميل جدا. It's a normal balcony. Egypt apartments, you tend to find this a lot. Just balconies. This is where you can deep like. Look at the skies.
Moving on to the bedrooms. So this is one of the bedrooms. Come with me.
I'll say it normally ranges to 3 bedrooms all the time.
This is like I believe this is a small room, right?
Yeah, but I'll say it could be typically this size or another size bigger. That's
so you literally have your Quran, Maraja, clothes. Every room comes with a window, which is really good. It's something light, isn't it?
Just something light for students just come in to do their work clothes, just sleep and nothing else.
You can literally put an AC in your room. There's usually like a plug. I think that's for the AC, I believe.
Yes.
Yeah, I believe so. So you just plug in your AC and then sorted. This is another bedroom. This is another small size. Literally something like.
You got cupboards there.
Obviously, like I said, every room comes with a window.
Every room comes with a window. Allah, but that's sick. That's true. And obviously, all your clothes, everything. You got cupboard there for all your clothes if you want to do. It always tends to be around this size. Moving on to the second bedroom. So coming up, this is another bedroom.
Yeah, this is more like
These bedrooms tend to be more bigger bedrooms. As you know, there's a bed, there's a fan. If you prefer, if you're not an AC guy, you can get a fan. You do that. If you're wondering what this is, viewers, this is to save you from the Egypt mosquitoes. This, not just mosquitoes. What else?
There's barely any mosquitoes, but flies.
Flies is the main.
There's a lot of dust.
Because one thing about flies in Egypt, summertime, they get very brave and they come around the houses and destroy. This, I would say, if you want a master bedroom, this is the master bedroom.
And as you can see, this is the Salah. Salah in Arabic means the venue, but this is basically a living room. Equipment, everything, toilet. Like my brother Yunus said, before you enter the toilet, what do you say? Left foot first. Got the toilet and the shower. Toilet is separated, can't say that word in here. And we got the sink and a mirror. Basically like London, same thing, turn on the sink, turn on the sink. Off that.
Usually they turn off the water taps around 12 o'clock, but that's with some apartments.
That's with those cheap houses. And obviously it comes with the fridge. If it's furnished for you, then you're lucky. But if it's unfurnished, we play where you can get from school, mall or car. And yeah, this is the kitchen. You could do all your chefing and cooking here and whatnot.
Ventilation. Just a quick electricity type.
Yeah, so and the way you top it up is just your gas. You just say your number and then they top it up. But then with this stuff, it tends to typically come with a bawab. And then the bawab just does everything.
Now that you guys seen the house tour, we're gonna now finally tell you guys the prices of this apartment. Now Yahya, how much did this apartment cost?
So we pay about 21k, but that is on a high end, and we are getting shagged. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Really, we pay 7k for each room. 7k is on a high end for a room. You should be paying at least, what you say, 15k a whole house.
Yeah.
15k a whole house.
Especially here.
That's what I'm saying. But it is furnished, so I say that is a good part. About bills, we pay electric. I say 500. We don't have AC either, so that is a big part.
Damn.
Since we don't have AC, it doesn't take a lot of electricity. I think 500 Janae works. That's what, about £8?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, what are you saying?
In our apartment, I think we pay around 2,500 for electricity, isn't it?
No, you man are getting shagged.
Obviously, like our one, we're getting bumped.
We got two ACs, isn't it?
Yeah.
So AC does play a big part, guys. So if you guys want to purchase an AC, remember, cost will go downhill. But what about the bawabs?
Bawab fee. We get shagged, 400 Janae. It doesn't really do anything. Just about how much you pay now. How much do you guys pay?
600.
Okay, you guys are getting shagged. So now that you guys have seen the house, we've shown you the prices, we've shown you the house tour. Now brother Cypher's going to end it here.
Obviously, let us know in the comments if you guys genuinely benefit from this video and if we should do other tours or maybe better houses. But that's the end of this tour. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayh.